The DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Drill Driver, model DCD777D1, is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It features a 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck that provides superior bit gripping strength and a high-performance motor that delivers up to 340 unit watts-hour (UWO) of power. The drill driver has 2 speed settings, 0-500 and 0-1750 RPM, that allow you to adjust the speed to match the application. And it also has a variable speed trigger for precise control. Additionally, the drill driver has a built-in LED light to illuminate the work area and improve visibility in low-light situations. The included XR 2.0 Ah battery provides long-lasting power and can be fully charged in just 60 minutes using the included charger. The drill driver also features a lightweight and compact design that makes it easy to use in tight spaces and reduces user fatigue during extended use. Overall, the DEWALT 20V MAX Cordless Drill Driver is a reliable and powerful tool that can handle a wide variety of drilling and driving applications.